Well, shout out to GE for sending me a replacement unit. This is just a follow-up on the problems I was having with the GE Profile Opal 2 Nugget ice maker. This particular unit kind of died after about 10 months and heavy use. Problem I was having is it would not go into cleaning mode, so couldn't descale any of this stuff. And I think the problem was really the float up in the reservoir tank here. I think some other people have had that issue where I backfilled through the B hose this tank and it still would not make ice. It would not clean, so just was not activating the pump down here to get more water to circulate up here and to make ice. But today we got this unit in, so going through its initial cleaning cycle. Got whatever it is, 5 cups of water and the bleach, and I'm going to run that through and then run maybe about 5 more cycles through it and then start making some ice, dump that, and kind of go from there. So they did send me just the new unit, so I still have to reuse the side tank and a couple of the other parts, but that's fine. It's not refurbished. It was brand new, so that's good. And as you may recall, I got this on Amazon, so it had its 1 year, I believe it was 1 year factory warranty, and then I got an extended warranty, 3 years for $99. So I figured that was pretty good. And yeah, so I had to go kind of back and forth a little bit with them on troubleshooting, but once I actually just filmed the video of every little step and showing that this thing would not activate the pump, they were pretty good, and they shipped it and I got it in 2 days. So it's going to be nice having the unit back, and we'll get this one boxed up and sent back to them. They sent a FedEx return label, so pretty much no cost, no prorating or anything, covered under GE factory warranty. And again, that continues through 2025, and then I got 3 years after that. So whether that's get money back or upgrade to a newer unit or whatever, we use this thing like crazy because this crappy refrigerator just cannot keep up. So anyway, happy that that part's over, and we'll see you on the next one. Oh, welcome back, Nugget Ice. God, did I miss you.